A little lamb was gazing with a flock of sheep one day. She soon found some sweet grass at the edge of the field. Farther and farther she went away from the others. She was enjoying herself so much she didn't notice a wolf coming nearer to her. However, when it pounced on her, she was quite quick and started to run and plead, "Please, please, don't eat me yet. My stomach is full of grass. If you want me to eat, wait for a while. I will taste much better." The wolf thought that it was a good idea, so he sat down and waited. After a little while, the lamb said, "If you allow me to dance, the grass in my stomach will be digested faster." Again, the wolf agreed. While the lamb was dancing, she had no idea. She said, "Please take the bell from around my neck. If you ring it, it's hard, and you can. I'll be able to dance even faster." The wolf took out the bell and rang it as hard as he could. So the shepherd heard the bell ringing and quickly sent his dogs to find the missing lamb. And the barking dogs frightened the wolf away and saved the lamb's life. So the gentle and weak can sometimes be cleverer and then the fierce one and the stronger one. Hit like, share. Fantastical Journeys with Amina.